Through the verification process, choose the type of account you want, either an individual or an entity account. You will then have to list some basic information, which includes your full name, birthday, home address, and employment information. Once you're finished, make sure to accept the terms and services that are displayed for you. But be careful, once you submit, you will no longer be able to make changes until you have been verified. Next, you will need to answer 7 questions from the KYC questionnaire, along with an acknowledgement statement, privacy policy, risk statement, and a relationship disclosure. Type your full legal name electronically and then proceed to the automatic verification. A message will pop up to put down your phone number, to which a link will be sent to you to continue with the last step through a web browser. Safari is recommended. Once you've opened the link, press Get Started and read the consent message. You will need to scan a form of ID, so either your driver's license or passport. And the final step is to take a selfie of yourself. And that's it. Welcome to VirgoCX.